Smash Customs is a facility we have located in Central Florida, and what we do here is we modify, service all types of vehicles. Exotic, American muscle, classic, even modern day late model cars. Here at our shop, what separates us from any other shop is the modifications that we do are done in-house. So we have a facility that can do everything from cut metal to leather, from full paint and body, or buying a car directly and selling it as is. Here at Smash Customs, another thing we'll do different than most people is we have 30 years of experience just in the buying and selling side, so we know the market very well, which means we buy our cars right. And when we buy our cars right, it means we can sell them at the correct price of what market value is instead of an inflation price to cover our cost.
Smash Customs is different from your average car shop because A, we work on exotics right next to rat rods. We have a very knowledgeable team in all fields. Both our sales team has at least 50 years experience, and our mechanic slash body team, paint team probably has over 100 years combined experience. So right there, we outdo a lot of other shops. We have a lot of very good machines to help in the restoration process, like a plasma cutter. We have a chroming system, we have hydro dippers. Those things are for cutting metals out if we want to make certain shapes. If we want to make a part camoed, we can dunk it in our hydro tank to put any type of custom design on it, from sticker bomb to camo to carbon fiber. We can make a part look like. We can paint a part to be lime green chrome, purple chrome. Smash Customs is located at 622 East Myers Boulevard, Mascot, Florida 34753. Come by and check us out.
You can check us out on the web at smashcustoms.com, especially on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Stay tuned. We're going to be staying relevant. We'll see you there.